Hi everyone. Today we have to discuss about the binomial distribution. So let us see the problem, that is fit a binomial distribution to the following data. So here problem is x, y, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 14, 20, 34, 22 and 8. So here we have to fit the binomial distribution for the given data. So these are the x values, these are the y values. Then see here capital N value. So capital N value is equal to 100. That means you can add the y values. Next, small n equal to 5. So total here we have to take the n equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is n equal to 5. Then calculate x bar, that is equal to summation fx divided by capital N, that is equal to fx. So here these are the frequencies. These are the frequencies. So you can calculate f into x. That means you have to multiply these two values. That is 0 into 2 means 0, plus 1 into 14 means 14, plus 2 into 20 means 40, plus 3 into 34 means 102, plus 4 into 22 means 88, plus 5 into 40 means 5 into 8 means 40, divided by capital N is equal to 100. That is equal to 2.84. This is the x bar value. Then here we have to take the formula for mean. Mean of a binomial distribution equal to n into p. So here n into p, here we know the value of n, that is 5 into p. Mean equal to, already we calculated, that is equal to 2.84. So 5 into p equal to 2.84. Then we can calculate p value, that is equal to 2.84 divided by 5. That is equal to 0.57, that is p value. Then q equal to 1 minus p, that is equal to 1 minus 0.57, that is equal to 0.43. So we calculate a p and q values. Then we can go for the binomial distribution. Here we have to calculate the binomial distribution NC0, that is equal to p power x into q power n minus x, NCx. So this is the binomial distribution. So here we have to take the expected frequencies. Expected frequency, that is equal to n into p into x, that is equal to n value is 100, p value is 0.43, p equal to 0.57 into x. So here we have to take x equal to 1. So x equal to 0, x equal to 1, x equal to 2, x equal to 3, x equal to 4 and x equal to 5. So for these values you have to calculate the expected frequencies. That means for x equal to 0, that becomes 0. Next, for x equal to 1, 5 into, that is equal to NCx p power x into q power n minus x. So we have to use this formula. So here n value is 5C1, that means 5 into 0.57 into 0.43 whole power 4. Into capital N, that is 100. So this is expected frequency, no? So for this expected frequency we have to multiply capital N also. So for this value, that is equal to 10. Next, for x equal to 2, same. 10 into 0.57 whole square into 0.43 whole cube, that is equal to 26. 26 into 0.57 into 0.43 whole square into 0.43 whole cube, that is equal to 26. 26 into 0.57 whole square into 0.43 whole cube, that is equal to 26. 26 into 0.57 whole square into 0.43 whole cube, that is equal to 26. 26 into 0.57 whole square into 0.43 whole cube, that is equal to 26. 26 into 0.57 whole square into 0.43 whole cube, that is equal to 26. 26 into 0.57 whole square into 0.43 whole cube, that is equal to 26. 26 into 0.57 whole square into 0.43 whole cube, that is equal to 26. 26 into 0.57 whole square into 0.43 whole cube, that is equal to 26. 26 into 0.57 whole square into 0.43 whole cube, that is equal to 26. 26 into 0.57 whole square into 0.43 whole cube, that is equal to 26 Next, x equal to 3, 10 into 0.57 whole cube into 0.43 whole square, that is equal to 34. Next, x equal to 4, 5 into 0.57 whole power 4, 0.43, that is equal to 23. For x equal to 5, 0.57 whole power 5, 1 into, that is equal to 6. So these are the expected frequencies. So we have to write down here x actual frequency and expected frequency. So what are the x values? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Actual frequencies 2, 14, 20, 34, 22 and 8. Expected frequencies what we have to calculate it here, that is equal to 0. For 0 is 1. Sorry, for 0 is 0. For 1 is 10, 26, 34, 23 and 6. So this is the calculation of binomial distribution for giving x values and also frequency values.